Spinach soup. For this healthy soup, we need spinach, potatoes, quail eggs, lemon, cream, parsley, pepper, salt and balsamic. Set the potatoes and eggs to the different pots. And let them cook. Place the pan on fire and add the spinach. Add cream to spinach. Mix and cook it 10 minutes. Add salt, pepper, lemon juice. Mix it well. Remove spinach from heat. Use the mixer to beat the spinach. Put some water and mix more. Pour out the water from the boiled eggs and peel them. Cover with the lid. Verify if the potatoes are ready. Peel potatoes. Slice them and put into the spinach. Mix all with the mixer. Reach your desired texture. Pour spinach soup to serving dish. Cut eggs and decorate the soup. Serve the soup with parsley and balsamic. Enjoy it! Bon appétit!